Well, it just got to the school because somebody said, oh yeah, low water pressure. Well, that's because we have some excitement. Let's go find. Oh, I hear a fountain. Oh no. Oh! That's the problem. Well, let me see if I can isolate it. So that line actually goes up around the corner to a bathroom in a warehouse that we don't use. And apparently it froze. And now that it's not frozen anymore, there's a big mess. That's a lot of water. Okay, let me find a shutoff valve. Let's see. Let's see if they blessed me with a shutoff valve over here. I'm pretty much about positive they did not. Oh, there is one. Watch this. Can you see that? Turn this guy off. Oh man. Music to my ears. Now wait. Alright. Did we get it? Oh! Cool, I'll come back and fix that later. What a day. All in the adventures of Chuck.